Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm and barn renovation part 9, I think it is. This afternoon after work, just got a few hours of work, so I'm going to be trying to cut and hang some siding. Follow along. Over here on the end of the barn is where I'm starting my siding, and you notice that every so often we've got a rafter coming down, and they're all the same size and they're all about the same distance, of course. So what I've done in order to take some of the ass pain out of trying to get these notches cut for the siding every so often. Because this time, instead of stopping the siding at the top beam there, like whoever made this place before me for ventilation, I'm taking the siding all the way up. I figure, a pole barn with all the cracks and stuff in the walls and all the gaps, there's plenty of ventilation with that. This just lets squirrels and stuff in. That's where the squirrels are getting in now to go get after feed and everything else, and that's the kind of stuff that'll be stored in here. So I'm going to take the siding all the way up. But anyway, I made a little template over here. I'll show you in cutting these things. This is the template I made. The lighting is not great. The sun's all crazy, but anyway, that's going to put this template up on a board, and I've already marked this board. So I got a pencil mark right there. That's where that rafter comes down right there. Now this particular one, there's the rafter, and then there's another inch to compensate for the siding from the other side. So just knowing that left-hand side mark there, I'll take this template and line it up on this board. It's the same size as the board, obviously. Move it over to the mark, and this one I'm just going to be cutting basically a 90-degree corner out of it. But as long as I've got it marked up with this pencil mark right here, I'll be able to make a cut all the way down, and then knowing that there's nothing else going to go here, I'll just cut straight across and cut that whole corner off, and this piece should drop right in. I've already cut it to length of 105 inches. Well, I see you got a few pieces in place there, and we're moving right along. Just taking it all the way up. Went around that little corner deal there, so everything's just fine. I'm hoping to get, who knows, maybe all the way across before dark. All right, there you have it. That section is sided. Not a lot of video today, just trying to race the daylight here, but it's all complete on that section that we had framed out. Let me run you around the side here real quick so you can kind of see the whole deal from afar with all of our crap in the way here. The chicken coop, but you can kind of get a better idea now how it's looking, and we'll just keep on going. So the next step is Friday here in a couple days. We'll tear this section here off just like we did before. We'll check out the structure and see if it needs attention. Hopefully I don't have to rebuild this whole side. But anyway, if that's what we have to do, that's what we'll do. And then we'll get that sided and keep on moving around to the front where we'll be building doors and everything else. As you see here, this front side is in really bad shape. It's just like everything else. It's totally rotted, totally termite eaten, whatever you want to call it. But this will have doors built. I have to frame out the sides a little bit because there's nothing there really. Anyway, that's what we have so far. Sorry this one was so short, but just trying to get after it and get some stuff done. Hope you all have a great day. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and as always, keep getting after it.